Our new topic is a brief introduction of cell. The cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all organisms. A cell is the smallest unit of life. Cells were discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. The study of cell is called cell biology, cellular biology, or cytology. Cells consist of cytoplasm enclosed within a membrane which contain many biomolecules. Organism can be classified as unicellular, which consisting of a single cell such as bacteria, and multicellular like plants and animals. Humans contain around 40 trillion cells. Cells emerged on Earth at least 3.5 billion years ago. Cell theory. Cell theory first developed in 1839 by Sladen and Swan, scientists. They stated that all organisms are composed of one or more cells. Cells are the fundamental unit of structure and function in all living organisms. Cells come from pre-existing cells. Now we will discuss types of cell, either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryote name came from the Greek word. Pro means before and karyon means kernel nucleus. Prokaryotic cell which do not contain a nucleus and other membrane bound organelles, but it has 70s type of ribosome. The DNA of a prokaryotic cell consists of a single circular chromosome that is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. The nuclear region in the cytoplasm is called the nucleoid. Most prokaryotes are the smallest of all organisms, ranging from 0.05 to 2 micrometer in diameter. Prokaryotes are single celled organisms. Prokaryotes include bacteria, archaea, yani archaebacteria. Now, eukaryotic cell. Eukaryota name came from the Greek eu means true and karyon means kernel. This nucleus give the eukaryotes its name because which means true kernel nucleus. Eukaryotic cell which contain a nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Nucleus organelles is a house of cells DNA. Eukaryotes can be either single celled or multicellular. These cells are about 15 times wider than a typical eukaryote and can be as much as thousands times greater in volume. Plants, animals, fungi, slime molds, protozoa, and algae are all eukaryotic. Now, we will discuss a comparative study of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes. Examples are bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotes. Example are protista, fungi, plant, animalia. The size of prokaryotic cell is 1 to 5 micrometer, and in eukaryote it is 10 to 100 micrometer in size. Type of nucleus in prokaryote is nucleoid region. There is no true nucleus present in prokaryotes, but in eukaryotes they have true nucleus with double membrane. DNA in prokaryote is usually circular in structure, where in eukaryotes it is linear molecule called chromosome with histone proteins. RNA and protein synthesis in prokaryotes coupled in cytoplasm, but in eukaryotes, RNA synthesis in the nucleus and protein synthesis in the cytoplasm. In prokaryotes, ribosome is have two subunit 50s and 30s. We can say it is 70s type of ribosome. In prokaryotes and in eukaryotes, it have two subunits 60s and 40s. It have 80s type of ribosome. Cytoplasmic structure in prokaryote is a very few structures they have. But in eukaryotes, they have highly structured by endomembranes and cytoskeleton. Prokaryote cell movement have flagella made by flagellin, and in eukaryote, flagella and cilia containing microtubules, lamellipodia and fluopodia containing actin. Prokaryotes have no mitochondria, where eukaryotes have several thousands of mitochondria. Prokaryotes have no cytoplasm, where eukaryotes have cytoplasm, chloroplast that is present in algae and plants. Organization in prokaryotes usually they are single cellular, but in eukaryote organization either single cell, coloniform, higher multicellular organisms like specialized cells. In prokaryote, cell division is binary fusion, yeah, simple division typic, but in eukaryote they have mitosis and meiosis both. In prokaryote, chromosomes are single chromosomes, where in eukaryote they have more than one chromosome. Membranes in prokaryote cell membrane, where in eukaryote cell membrane and membrane bound organelles are presented. Now we will discuss the difference between plant cell and animal cell. As you can see in the chart, animal cell are large with a distant outline, where animal cell is small with a less distant outline. Plant cell have cell wall is present. The cell membrane is surrounded by the cell wall, where animal cell have no cell wall. Plant cell plastids are present, where animal cell have no plastid, but there is an exception in Euglena. Plant cell, a very large vacuole is presented in the center, but in animal cell, vacuoles are either absent. If present, they are very small in size. In plant cell, centrosome is absent, but in animal cell, centrosome is present. In plant cell, cytoplasm is not so dense, but in animal cell, cytoplasm is denser and more granular and almost filled the entire cell. In plant cell, Golgi apparatus has similar unit called dictyosome, where in animal cell, Golgi apparatus is highly complex and predominant. In plant cell, food is storage in the form of starch, where in animal cell, food is stored in the form of glycogen. Now, we will discuss about the eukaryotic cell organelles. Eukaryotic cell have several organelles like cell nucleus, a cell information center. Cell nucleus is the most conspicuous organelle found in eukaryotic cells. It is the house of cells chromosome and is the place where almost all DNA replication and RNA synthesis occur. The nucleus is spherical and separated from the cytoplasm by a double membrane called nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope isolated and protects a cell's DNA from various molecules that could accidentally damage its structure and interfere with its processing. Now, the next organelle is mitochondria. As we know, the mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of a cell. Mitochondria generate energy for the cell. This is a double membrane bound special organelle. Mitochondria are self replicating organelle that occur in various numbers, shape, size in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. Respiration occur in the cell mitochondria, which generate the cell's energy by oxidative phosphorylation using oxygen to release energy stored in cellular nutrients to generate ATP. Mitochondrial multiply by binary fusion like prokaryotes. Now, chloroplast. Chloroplast can only be found in plant and algae. This organelle, also known as a kitchen of a cell. This is a double membrane bound structure. They capture the sun's light to make carbohydrate through photosynthesis. So they convert endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a transport network for molecules targeted for certain modification and specific distinctions. The ER has two forms: the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosome on its surface that secrete protein into the ER. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum lack ribosomes. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum play a role in calcium sequestration and release. Next organelle is Golgi apparatus. The primary function is the Golgi apparatus is to process and pack the macromolecules such as proteins and lipids that are synthesized by the cell. Lysosome. Lysosome contain digestive enzyme, most of acid hydrolysase. They digest excessive or worn out organelles, food particle and engulfed virus and bacteria. Peroxisome have enzyme that rid the cell of toxic peroxidase. Next is centrosome. The centrosome produce the microtubules of a cell that is a key component of cytoskeleton. Centrosomes are composed of two centrioles which separate during cell division and help in the formation of mitotic spindles. A large centrosome is present in the animal cell where there are also found in some fungi and algae cells. Ribosome. There are macromolecule mechanics found in all living cells that perform biological protein synthesis mRNA translation. Ribosome link amino acid together in the order specified by the codon of messenger RNA mRNA molecule to form polypeptide chains. Ribosomes consist of two major components, the small and large ribosome subunits. Each subunit consists of one or more ribosomal RNA molecules and many ribosome proteins. Vacuoles, waste product and in plant cell store water. They are often describe a liquid filled space and are surrounded by a membrane. Amoeba have contractile vacuole which can pump water out the cell if there is too much water. The vacuoles of plant cell and fungal cells are usually larger than those of animal cells. The reference is Wikipedia.